Hi, have you seen the social media post where people share page speed results from Lighthouse? I would like to surprise you, they are not very reliable. Lighthouse is an amazing tool. You can check your website, debug the mistakes. It's also free of charge. So basically your developers, when you are short on the budget, can check what's going on with your website. But the result can be checked on both your computer, your developer computer, or in PageSpeed Insights. And in both cases, it's just a one-time result. So it's good for debugging, checking what's going on, but it's not typically very reliable. In general, people tend to show you on LinkedIn posts and so on one-time result, which is in most cases done on the desktop device, not on the mobile, which is way harder to achieve great results. Also, in many cases, I have spotted that it's probably the staging environment. Staging environment do not have the advanced analytics you can find on the production. And in most cases, those pages were pretty small ones with just few of the sub pages and not extremely advanced pages, as you can spot with the big players on the internet. Lighthouse test can be also visible in the PageSpeed Insights, which is a great tool. PageSpeed Insights is able to present you the real user monitoring results of your users gathered from Chrome browsers of your users and summed up together, and you can see the results, and also it can present you the Lighthouse results. I would like to show you the actual result of the apple.com. They have not really good result in terms of Lighthouse, but does it mean their website is terrible? No, not at all. Their website is great. It's really advanced. It has a lot of images, videos, animations. It's really nice for their users, and I think it's the main purpose of the website. You need to serve your users pretty well, and then you should check the actual real user results of your user, how they experience the website, what is the speed also of that site. And in PageSpeed Insights, you can spot that real result is around 2 seconds. So Lighthouse is not good, but real user monitoring shows us that basically this website is pretty quick. So they do not need to worry too much about their speed results. Of course, there is space for improvements. Everyone has it. When you want to dive even deeper and check what's going on with your website, you should invest real user monitoring tools, proper ones, Sentry, Room Vision, one of the recent Pingdom test, or one we utilize a lot above the Sentry also, it's Elasticsearch. And we strongly believe that these kind of tools give you the really detailed perspective on your website, and you can dive really deep, check page by page. Also in terms of time, you can check, let's say, what's going on today or tomorrow. You can set up the alerts, AI for anomalies and so on. So these kind of solutions are really good. When you have them, you can really check in details what's going on and debug your website and check how to improve it and where is the space for improvement. Okay, so what we try to do on top of the real user monitoring, we try to collect the data from the user monitoring tools, real user monitoring, APMs, and convert those technical metrics into the business ones. So we want to have the LCP, CLS, TTB, ENP, and other stuff converted into the conversion rate, bounce rate, revenue, marketing budget, and so on, and let you understand what impact will have, let's say, improvement of the website on your marketing budget, or changing the banner hero one from the simple one to very advanced one with animations and so on, which will be way slower probably than the first one, and you will know how many users you need to gather more to compensate slower website in total. So we believe that this kind of solutions is the future of the modern web, and you will be able to drive your marketing decisions way better having this kind of understanding of your website quality and website performance. Okay, so basically Lighthouse should be considered as kindergarten tool. PageSpeed Insights is pretty reliable and pretty good tool to have some feedback to your team. But in case you want to utilize really the capabilities of this kind of solutions, you should invest in the application performance monitoring. And hopefully on top of that, you can have some kind of AI as we are building that will help you prioritize and spot the real differences that will have the substantial implication on the conversion rate and the bounce rate of your campaigns and website. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye.